teach the way. Sales and stories every day. Mohawk College, where we start. September comes, we play our part. Radio and creative flows. Content grows and knowledge shows. Learn to sell and close the deal. Make that money feel so real. Closing sales, making gains. Entrepreneur hearts and chains. Start your business, take the lead. Mohawk students plant the seed. 2024, here we come. New ideas, excitement hums. Future bright in every mind. Opportunities we'll find. From the classroom to the field, success in life will be revealed. Radio waves, our voice is strong. Selling dreams all day long. Learn to hustle, learn to grind. In this course, you